Good morning, y'all. Well, today is a big day. Karen and I are headed up to the West Bottoms this morning. One of my old college friends is meeting us up there. Her husband stayed home with the kids and she's driving on up from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and she's coming to visit. So it should be a good time. And then Karen, well, she's my friend too, but Karen's friend, I've known this lady for like my entire life, and you've met her many times in the video. We're also meeting Mary up at the West Bottoms and her husband Carl and their daughter Tori and her husband Grant. Should be a lot of fun. Let's go, guys. Hey guys, I want you to meet my friend. This is Elizabeth. We rendezvous at Good Juju, a shop synonymous with the West Bottoms.
This is overwhelming. There's so much to look at.
It's always a fun place to visit. It's typically everyone's first stop when going antiquing at First Fridays. There's so much to look at that you hardly know where to begin. Thankfully, Mary points the way. We file into stall after stall, packed in like sardines, and comb through the hordes of antiques as more and more people pour through the door. Good Juju started in 2007. It's Kansas City's original West Bottoms antique store. They consider themselves an event retail store. They are opened once monthly, First Fridays, to sell antiques, vintage, and retro wares. It's neither a flea market nor an antique mall, but a unique mix of goods. It's true what they say. They've got a little bit of everything from the 1880s to the 1980s. West of downtown Kansas City, close to the Missouri River, the West Bottoms were first an area of trade for Indians and French trappers, thus prompting the original name, the French Bottoms. Europeans arrived in Missouri in the late 1600s. In 1673, French explorers Father Jacques Marquette and Louis Joliet entered Missouri, traveling along the Missouri River. It was Father Marquette who first used the name Missouri when mapping out the region. A few years later, in 1682, another French explorer named Robert de La Salle arrived and claimed Missouri for France as part of the Louisiana Territory. When the French explorers arrived, the area was inhabited by Native Americans of the Osage and the Missouri groups. And by the end of the 17th century, French trade with the Native Americans flourished. By the 1860s, the French Bottoms were now called the West Bottoms. It was founded with the arrival of the railroads and was the original downtown of Kansas City. The proximity of the two rivers and the flat land for railroads quickly made this location the economic engine of the area. The area capitalized on the individual revolution of the railroad industry, allowing for the livestock exchange to be the distribution hub of Midwestern cattle around the nation, and other smaller industries such as seed warehouses, furniture stores, and household products. The city flourished around the establishment of stockyards in 1871. A devastating flood in 1903 changed the nature of the historic West Bottoms. Yet another big hit to the West Bottoms came in 1951 with another huge flood. The area deteriorated over time, but with restoration efforts, now the West Bottoms is home to the largest vintage and antique market in the United States. Oh, I'm filming. Dang it!
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath
Starbucks coffee. We're at the Robin's Nest and they have a cute little coffee shop here that took about almost, what, 15, 20 minutes to get our coffee. But we're here and we're gonna have a little bit of a coffee break.
Chai latte tastes good.
Hi guys. Wow, my hair's a little wild.
The sun today, you know, maybe causing, then it's just getting blurry.
Oh no.
Looks like someone's smoking it.
Karen, let's play this.
25th anniversary, 1869 to 1894.
I love that actually.
Which are the chairs?
Oh really? Wow. That's cool. And they're off.
In the desert, we have tumbleweeds. You guys have.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Trash.
no, I mean.
Okay, we have literally piled in the car and we're all going to meet at Unforked in, where is it?
Crown Center.
At the Crown Center area of Kansas City. We have kidnapped Elizabeth and we're on our way. Crown Center is a shopping and entertainment district dominated by its namesake mall, which overlooks a plaza with an ice rink. This is where the mayor always puts up his Christmas tree. Family-friendly attractions include the Hallmark Visitor Center, Legoland, and the nearby National World War I Museum. Karen, Mary, and Carl all use their phones to look at the online menu. Unforked serves chef-inspired food made with fresh, local ingredients. They promise to buy and support seasonal, local ingredients first. If not local, they source from smaller family, certified, and organic farms. After enjoying our lunch, we then follow Grant to the other side of the mall to his favorite fudge shop. That whole thing, please.
Your husband needs you, and so do we.
After we buy our fudge, we find a nearby table and sit down, share our fudge, and laugh and have a good time for just a little bit longer.
Union Station.
Union Station.
So I gotta get my cut today.
In the middle of the road.
This is like,
It's very pretty.
this is like, I don't know, like hippie garden central. So,
Yeah. And here is the Missouri River. And to give Elizabeth a true Kansas City experience, we went out for barbecue. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We're headed home. A little bit's in the van behind us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.